Look how Cleo drinks by putting her head back. Cleo loves to dive under, especially if someone else is swimming in the pool and she can copy them. Cleo, wash yourself. Wash that face. Wash, wash, wash. Yay! Get it all over. Cleo uses her big paddle feet to help her to swim faster, just as if she was using flippers. Call these feet webbed feet, and any bird that you see with webbed feet, it means that they are a water bird. Look how she manages to paddle along. Good job! Let's see. How do you dry your feathers? Shake! Dry those feathers. Cleo, show us how you dry your feathers. Cleo uses her beak to get the water out of her feathers. She also puts her beak on a little spot near the top of her wing like that to get oil that she puts onto her feathers to make her feathers waterproof. That's why she doesn't sink down when she goes on top of the water. She manages to float on the water. But that means every time she gets out of the pool, she has to spend a long time putting oil on her feathers again. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. How do you dry your feathers? Come on. In the sunlight, you can see the beautiful shiny green on Cleo's feathers, which is a marker that helps us to know that it's an Egyptian goose. Look at that beautiful green. Show us how you flap your wings. Cleo can fly really well now, but he chooses to stay with us.